Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your laptop's battery is draining way too fast. So in such case, the first thing that we can do is change the power settings of the laptop, and to do that, right click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, select power and sleep settings, then go into the power options or power mode and change the best performance to either balanced or best power efficiency mode. The next thing is keeping your screen less bright. You can do this either by selecting the three icons in the left in the right bottom corner of the screen and adjusting the brightness by moving this slider, or you can also use the FN plus F5 and F6 shortcuts to adjust the brightness of your PC to the level you're comfortable with. The next way to improve your battery life is to disable the applications that consume your battery the most, and to find them, right click the taskbar, open the task manager, and then what you have to do is right click one of these columns right here and select power usage. And once you see the power usage column, sort the table using it, and at the top of the list you'll see the most power consuming applications, and if there are some applications that you don't need, then right click and select end task. Now the next thing is Bluetooth. Tap on the three icons in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the arrow icon next to the Bluetooth icon, and if you have some devices connected, you can tap on them to disconnect them, or you can disable Bluetooth too, because Bluetooth uses your battery power as well. Of course, if you need some Bluetooth devices, then you can keep them enabled. Now the next thing is keeping your device up to date. And to keep your device up to date, open the start menu, go to settings, then go to the Windows Update section and check if your device has any updates. And in case it does, then take your time and install them. And if it says to restart your laptop afterwards, then of course do that in order to make the changes apply. And in the advanced options you'll find optional updates, and if you want to, you can also install these updates, and also you're gonna have probably the driver updates for your PC. And all you have to do is check the updates that you want to install, click download and install, and if you keep your software up to date, it stays in touch with your hardware, so I highly recommend you doing that. And the last thing I want you to check is your battery health, basically whether or not you have to replace your battery in your situation. So all you have to do is open the start menu, then start searching for CMD, open it, and in the following window input power CFG spacebar / battery report, press enter, and you'll receive a path. Select it like this, then copy it by right clicking on it, then open either your file explorer or your web browser, doesn't matter, open the path field, press Ctrl V to paste this path, press enter, and you'll see the battery report about your battery. Now scroll a little bit down, and here you'll find the design capacity and the full charge capacity. Now these numbers should be approximately the same, but in case your full charge capacity, which is your current capacity, went much lower below the design capacity, which is the original capacity of your laptop, that means that it's time for you to replace the battery. And in such case, only if this number is significantly lower than this one, the battery replacement is the only thing that can help you save your battery. And that's basically all I had to mention in this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.